Hi everyone, welcome to 816 on our today's oh my god. Hi everyone, welcome to 816. On our today's lesson, I'm going to explain how we are going to solve these different problems. So, if you are a new member of my YouTube channel, don't forget to share, like and subscribe 816. Well, now let's see how we do this problem. Look, especially to solve the first problem, let me come to how we do each problem one by one. Now look, what we have here, 4 raised x plus 4 raised x plus 4 raised x is equal to 24. Now to simplify this problem, simply look how many 4 the power of x do we have here. We have 3 for the power of x, is that? We have 3 for the power of x. Then you can do this in different ways. For example, look this one. 2 plus 2 mean what? How many 2 do we have here? 3. So this is written as 2 times. Immediately you can do like this one, is that? So this 3 refers to the number of 2 which is added here, is that? So based on this principle, now how many for the power of x do we have here? We have 3 for the power of x. So this implies that 3 times for the power of x, which is immediately 24. Is that? This is a very simple case. It is very tricky problem. Now, in order to find the value for x, we need to just divide both sides by 3, because here it is 3, this is 4. So they are unlike terms. They have not the same base, they have not the same exponent. So you can immediately divide this by 3 and you can divide this by 3. Then this implies that for the power of x will be 24 divided by 3 will be what? That's absolutely 8. And you know that 4 can be written as 2 the power of 2 the whole what? X. And which is 2 the power of what? 3. Then here, with the power of the power law, that means when we remove the bracket, these will multiply the variable x, and it is given by 2 the power of 2x, which is perfectly 2 the power of 3. Now, if 2 exponential problems have the same base, look, the bases are already the same, which is 2. So you can immediately do this way. This can be written as 2x is equal to 3. Because you know why? If 2 exponential problem have the same base, their exponent has to be equal. So because of that, 2x must be 3. Now, these to the power of 2x and to the power of 3 will have the same value if and only if 2x is equal to 3. So over 2, you can divide this by 2, and x will be what? 3 over 2. So the value for x is this one. This is the way how we do. Let me come to how we do the second problem, is that? So this is. Well, now let's see how we are going to solve the second problem, this one. Again, in order to find the solution of this x, we have here x minus 1 the power of 3, which is equal to 22 plus 6. Because on the left side, we have negative 6. When we just remove this one to the right, since it is minus, it has to be plus, so you have to do this way. That means this is 5, sorry. This is 5, and this is again 5. So now when you move this one on the right, that will be plus, because it's minus on the left. So x minus 1, the power of 3 is equal to 27. This is the result, is that? So, in order to evaluate the value of these x, this is x minus 1, the power of 3, which is equal to 27. So, look how I'm going to solve this one. To remove this bracket, I have to divide 3 for 3. So, you have to multiply this by 1 over 3. That? Let's multiply these. Now, let me write again here, please. So this is exactly x minus 1 the power of 3 times 1 over 3 which is going to be 27. You have to do this way, is that? Because 22 plus 5 is 27. What's the reason that I multiply 3 by x3 spoken? To make this power 1, I have to multiply this power or this exponent with x3 spoken. And then again, I have to make the power of 27, that is 1 over 3. Because the power for 27, I have to multiply the power of 27 by 1 over 3. Because I have multiplied the power for this one by 1 over 3. Again, I have to multiply the power of 27 by 1 over 3. Because the power of 27 is 1, so I have to multiply 1 by this one. 1 by 1 over 3, which is already 1 over 3. So now here, this is eliminated. So x minus y will be what? 27 raised 1 over 3. So when we convert this one, this is generally in the power form. So when we convert this one in index form, this is given by the cube root of 27. Is that? Now this is exactly x minus 1 will be what? Cube root of 27, as you know, 27, the cube root of 27 is perfectly 3. How it is so? Look this one. 27 is written as 3 the power of 3. Is that? So the cube root of 27 means 3 the power of 3. So this divided by this one is already 1. We have this. So now, x minus 1 is equal to 1 means when we move 1 on the right, the value for x will be 1 plus 3, which is going to be 4. This is how we are going to find the value for x. Is that? The value for x. Maybe if you have any questions, doubts regarding to this one, you are welcome. Let me come to the next problem. Is that? Let me solve the third problem. This one. So when you come to this one, x plus 1 is raised 2 over 3, which is 4 mean. Now look, the power of this, or the exponent of this one, is 2 over 3. So in order to just avoid, or in order to make this is 1, now this is gonna be x plus 1 raised 2 over 3 times, you have to multiply with its reciprocal. So when you multiply the exponent of x plus 1 by its reciprocal of this, you have to multiply again for the power of 4. The power of 4 is 1. We need to multiply the power of 4 by 3 over 2. Is that? So this is going to be x plus 1. The power of this is cancelled by this one. And 3 is cancelled by 3. And what's left? 1. Is that? So this is perfectly 4 raised 3 over 2. So now this means that x plus 1 is equal to, look here, what's the index? The index is already 2. So squares of 4 the power of 3. This is x plus 1. That's going to be square root of 4 the power of 3 mean this is the square root of this is exactly the square root of 64. Square root of 64 is 8. Is that? So x will be what? 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1. This implies x is exactly 7. This is the way how we do. Is that? This is all about how we are going to solve these 3 important questions. So if you are a new member of my YouTube channel, again, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. It's Homer 60. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.